everyone, my name is Cynthia and I'm here to show you Ricky's Cult Crushes box of May 2018. I just received this today, maybe about an hour ago. The mailman came, I went running to go get it. The box apparently was shipped out a little late compared to other months. It was shipped out yesterday, so a lot of people are starting to get it today, like me, or today on. I do live in New York City, so came quicker than I thought it would. I'm here to show you this box. It is actually my first time trying Ricky's and probably my last, and you'll know why very soon. One issue though, it is pricing. By the way, this is $11, but as of next month, June, it will be, I believe, $14 for this box. I just don't think it's worth it. 11 already seemed like a good price after, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, but you will see May, I'm just not very happy with it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's make it short and sweet. Sorry, by the way, if you hear any background noise. Like I said, I'm in New York City. I'm close to the train. You might hear the train from my apartment. So apologies in advance. So here's the box. It comes nicely packaged in bubble wrap. I did open it. Like I said, I was very excited. I ran to go ahead and look at it. And here is why I'm not very happy. I feel like this box is very wah-wah. So here's the card, and it does come with the information here. I will show you in a little bit. And here are the items. So I don't know, I felt like I was opening an Ipsy or Birchbox. The items are just not only not super exciting, but they're very small. I've seen so many unboxings of people getting, eyeshadow palettes that were this large, makeup wipes, or big tub of body lotion, and I wasn't expecting full-size items. I know it's not BoxyCharm, but maybe one or two, or at least I would have been happy with something nice and large. But this is a very light box. And let's go ahead and get into the items. So the first one that I'm actually excited about, it is Bioderma makeup removing solution. I'm not mad at receiving more makeup solution. I do use it. It is very small. You can see this, me holding it here. But again, I don't mind it. And it's actually the only item I'm pretty much excited about. Then I actually did follow the spoilers of my subscription addiction. So I knew I was gonna get one of these ointments, Pure Paw Ointment. It's watermelon, ointment for anything that you need soothing or smoothing, like your lips. It does come sealed, and it does smell a little bit like watermelon. Let's go ahead and swatch this real quick. Over here. Oh, feels like Vaseline a little bit. It took a lot to get out, and it's actually clear, and your standard ointment, no color. It does smell like watermelon, so that's the only good thing that it has going, in my opinion. And again, it's not that big, maybe like my palm. Again, not a big tub on an ointment, but a nice little tube maybe for traveling. Next thing we have here is another spoiler I saw, which is the Aura Glow Liquid Highlighter. Apparently we're supposed to receive one of 3 colors, and I received the more golden highlighter. By the way, this is a glass bottle. If anyone, some people are really into that packaging. Pretty nice. It's actually a glass bottle, like again, Aura Glow, and it is a gold tint. The one I received. You might get more of a pinkish, and I'm not sure the other one, the other color there. Let's go ahead and swatch that. You can see the ointment clearly there, and just your standard highlighter. I don't mind it. I'll probably use it. I'm not sure if this is full size. It might just be, but again, just another little thing here that I received. Then we have a very small bar of soap. See how tiny that is? Wash and stain bar, essential oils. Apparently it says vegetable soap. Let's go ahead and open it up. So I don't mind. I know I'll use it. Of course, if I get a soap, if a friend gives me a soap, I will use it. But it's pretty small, clear, looks like. There's the name. And it smells nice, but again, it's It's not like I'm super excited to get soap, but here it is. Oh, this thing. So I don't love this. I've gotten this in a million subscriptions. It's the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I'm sure a lot of you have gotten this, maybe in Sephora. It's just a lip plumper. I end up gifting these. Again, not excited, I'm not wowed. It will just be probably given to someone. And there's this thing. It's the Sculpt and Blend Mini 3-piece brush set, you know, for sculpting, blending, like it says. It's okay. Like it says, it's mini, so it's travel size. Let's go ahead and open it up. The brand, it says it's, oops, I lost one of the holders here. Looks like it's BH Cosmetics, and it's just 3 small travel size brushes. That's cool. Why not? Feels soft. And they're 3 different shapes, so that's nice. You can really, you know, sculpt. Of course, use it in your eyes, but you can maybe use it for nose contouring or any other type that you might want to do. So not bad, but that's it. Comes with this if anyone cares for nice packaging. Let's go ahead and put them all in here. So it's okay. I was excited to be trying it for the first time after all the awesome videos I saw from all the awesome, you know, unbaggings, unboxings that I saw. I was hoping to get some maybe huge product or something that I don't have, something that would excite me, but no, that's it. Very, very, very tiny box. Again, I don't know, feel free if any of you watch and want to tell me that maybe this is a great box. I would love to know. Maybe there's an item in there that, you know, is really sought after. I'm excited to hear, but just for me looking at it, I'm not excited. It will be my last month, like I said. Oh, man, other months, there was a wait list and just the items looked like they were amazing. Some were full size. You know, I saw eyelashes, but it wasn't just a pair. It was literally a big case. Just bigger items that I would have rather have gotten, but what are we gonna do? And like I said, they are increasing the price as of next month to $14. I'm definitely unsubscribing. This to me is not worth the $11. I would definitely not be happy if this was $14. So I hope this video just was altogether helpful for those of you that maybe are like me and were looking for videos and what to expect. And I hope this was helpful to you in knowing whether you want to try Ricky's. Maybe you already have it and you're dying to know what's coming in your box. I hope this helped you to know what's going to be coming. And well, that's all really. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a good day. Take care. Bye.